Hello, this is Teacher PD and welcome to JIC online class. Today, we're going to talk about IELTS writing. We are going to focus on two objectives. First, we're going to know the different ideas or needed information that you need to know when it comes to writing. Second, we're also going to deal with the different criteria that are being checked in IELTS writing. To begin with, always remember that in IELTS writing, you are going to do two different tasks. You're going to have a letter writing for task 1, general training, and for task 1, academic training, you're going to write some reports. It could be a pie chart, a line graph, bar graph, a table, or a combination of both. However, for task 2, you're going to write a complete essay for both trainings, general and academic. Always bear in mind that when it comes to task 1 writing, you're going to write 150 words. However, when it comes to the task 2 writing, you're going to write at least 250 words. In addition to that, always remember that the task 2 writing has more score than that of the task 1. So, you have to make sure that you are going to finish the task 2 writing. Moving forward to the second objective, criteria. There are 4 criteria that are being used in IELTS writing. First, we have the task achievement or task response, cohesion and coherence, lexical resource, and lastly, grammatical range and accuracy. Let's begin with grammatical range and accuracy. In this part, the examiner is going to check the sentence patterns or sentence structures that you are using. Do you have complex sentences, compound sentences, or just simple sentences? Additionally, don't forget that punctuation also plays an important role in grammatical range and accuracy. Second, lexical resource. Lexical resource is about vocabulary. The examiner is going to check the words that you are using. Are they correct? Are they accurate or not? Most importantly, you have to remember to paraphrase when it comes to lexical resource. This means that you're going to use synonyms or the different word formations of a word. Thirdly, we have the coherence and cohesion. For coherence, it is mainly about understanding. It means to say that you are giving the correct points, reasons, examples that is related to the question being asked by IELTS. The conclusion must also talk about the topic that is being asked by IELTS. Now on to cohesion. Cohesion is about the logic of your answer. It means to say that there must be a connection of introduction, body 1, body 2, and conclusion for task 2 essay. This can be achieved through transition words. Transition words are the words that we are using to connect ideas, such as moreover, furthermore, besides, and many more. Don't also forget to use some conjunctions, such as and, for, and so. Finally, we have the last criterion, which is the task achievement or task response. For task achievement, it is for task 1. In general training, they're going to check if you are able to address the 3 bullet points. As for the academic, the examiner is going to check whether you are writing the main trends for a line graph or a bar graph, or if you are writing the most important things that are available on the diagram. Now let's move on to task 2. For task 2, the examiner is going to check using the task response. When we say task response, it is mainly about your reply to the topic which is given by the IELTS. In this part, you must make sure that you have written your introduction along with your thesis statement. Second, you must have your body 1, body 2, or even body 3. And don't forget to write your conclusion. In the body paragraphs, always remember that you must have a point which is supported by a reason and examples.